Welcome to the Agentic AI series, where we build one agent piece by piece across its whole architecture. In this demo, we cover the model and the instructions. Every agent starts with two pieces, and this first demo is where we put them on the table. The model is the brain, the large language model that actually does the thinking. In our examples, we simply use the default model, which is all you need to get going, but it's there on purpose and you, as the user, can always override it with a model of your own choosing. Then we give it the most basic instructions, a short prompt telling it what we need it to do. That's it. This demo isn't trying to be clever, it's showing the smallest thing that can honestly be called an agent, a brain with a brief, the bare minimum needed to get off the ground. Everything else in this series builds on top of this, and from here you can expand it as far as you like. 5 frameworks, 1 job, declare a basic agent in Python. Let's see how simple it is to accomplish it in just a few lines. Here are the 5 we will compare: Microsoft, OpenAI, LangGraph, CrewAI, and Google ADK. We'll use the same code layout for each of these frameworks. And here's the code, all 5 at once. Notice the shape, imports on top, agent declaration below. In the next 5 slides, each framework is presented. In each example, the blue overlay marks what's identical across all of them. The pink boxes mark what's different. That's where the declaration of the basic agent for each framework lives. Microsoft Agent Framework. 2 parts. A chat client wraps the model, an agent wraps the chat client. Give it a name and instructions: call, run, get text back. Minimal. OpenAI Agents SDK. Even leaner, just an agent with name and instructions. Execution is separate, you hand the agent to a runner. That separation is the whole design. LangGraph. Different mental model, everything is a graph. Define a state schema, add an LLM node, set an entry point, compile, invoke. For one LLM call it's overkill, but the moment you need branching or loops, you already have the structure. CrewAI. Agents are people here. You don't give them instructions, you give them a role, a goal, and a backstory. Then you wrap them in a task, hand the task to a crew, and call kickoff. The vocabulary is the framework. Google ADK. A little different from the other 4, and the most production-shaped. You need a session service, an artifact service, a runner, and you consume the agent's output as a stream of events. If you're building something real, this is what real looks like. 5 frameworks, and you've now seen every one. The striking part, almost all of the code was the same, those were the blue parts of the code. Only a small declaration in the pink boxes set them apart. Before we finish, one last piece: environment files. 4 of the 5 frameworks require one OpenAI key in a root.env. Microsoft additionally requires an OpenAI Responses Model ID. Google ADK needs its own Google API key, and a flag for whether to route through Vertex AI. Same task, 5 frameworks. Whichever one you pick, building an agent is this easy. No wrong choice, just open an editor and try it today.
Thank you for spending time with us. Like and subscribe. Stay sharp, stay Azurite. See you in the next one.